Open the wire feed compartment cover. Locate the tension arm inside the compartment. Pull the tension arm outward. Take off the spool retainer. Note the spool retainer's orientation. Place the full wire spool into the compartment, aligning it with the wire feed direction label inside the compartment. Reinstall the spool retainer. Use wire cutters to trim off the damaged section. Ensure the new tip is straight and smooth. Feed the trimmed wire tip through the wire guide hole at the bottom of the compartment. Keep feeding until 1 to 2 inches of wire stick out of the hole. Reset the components in order. First, push the tension arm back into place. Ensure it presses firmly against the spool retainer. Press the wire feed button. Finally, close and latch the wire feed compartment cover.